How to add shortcuts on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily add shortcuts on Google Chrome like these ones. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Google Chrome and land on the home page. And as you can see here, you have an option to add shortcut. Now if you click on it, here you can name your shortcut and enter the URL, and it's pretty simple. So what you're going to do is, for example, if I want to add a shortcut for Roblox, I'm just going to open Roblox here first, like this, and then I'm just going to copy this URL, head over here, add shortcut, and then I'm just going to name this as Roblox, and then hit enter. Now I'm just going to enter the URL right here. This is the URL. Now tap on done, and as you can see, the Roblox URL has been added. Now if I click on any of these, they will log me in right here on my profile. So if I click on Roblox, it will take me to my Roblox homepage. And if I click on Facebook, it will open up my Facebook account as well. So these are a quick and easy way to access your different websites. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.